Welcome to the friend of me Huawei Y5p, and I'll show you how to set up Face Unlock on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll here to the biometrics and password. Here you'll see the face recognition section. Click here. For example, in my case, I got the set it before I got just set it the screen lock method, the pattern. So if you have now here the lock method on your device, you should set the pattern or passcode or pin code. But in my case, it's already set it up. So I'll just drop the pattern here and click. You should click here to get started. Now you just should set up your face here. Setup is complete, as can you see, and now we'll just try to unlock our device with the face recognition. So as can you see, our device is unlocked, but here if you want also you can change the settings here to unlock the device directly, not just to stay on our lock screen. We'll just change it to the directly. And here when we'll just unlock our device with the face, we'll directly open our home screen, for example. So that's it. That's how to set up face unlock on our Huawei Y5p. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.